Morning Yoga Poses to Enhance Flexibility for Beginners. Welcome to our sunrise session, where we embrace the new day with yoga designed to enhance your flexibility and awaken your body. Let's prepare to gently stretch into the morning light, perfect for beginners. Start your day with the mountain pose. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, reaching your arms above your head, stretching towards the sky. Breathe deeply, grounding yourself, feeling the stretch throughout your body, readying yourself for the day ahead. Transition smoothly into the forward fold. Hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your head hang freely. This pose stretches your hamstrings and calms your mind, easing you into the morning with gentle care. Next, we explore the cat-cow stretch, a fluid movement that improves spine flexibility. On your hands and knees, alternate between arching your back towards the ceiling and dipping it down, syncing your breath with each movement. Let's awaken the spine further with the Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, hands under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest off the ground. This pose strengthens your back and opens your heart to new beginnings. Embrace the warrior I pose to invigorate your body. Step one foot back, bend your front knee, and reach your arms up high. Feel the powerful stretch in your legs and arms, embodying strength and courage. Transition into the tree pose to find your balance. Stand on one leg, place the other foot on your inner thigh, and bring your hands together at your heart. This pose enhances your concentration and stability as the day unfolds. As we near the end, settle into the seated forward bend. Extend your legs in front of you, hinge at your hips, and reach for your toes. This calming pose stretches your spine and soothes your mind. Conclude with the child's pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and lower your forehead to the ground. This restorative pose allows you to reflect, relax, and fully embrace the tranquility of the morning.